Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a First Move High Unwind, also sometimes called an MJ Whip High Unwind. Knowing how to do a first move, you need to know that. Ideally a MJ Whip would be even better, and it's a good idea to also have done a Basket High Unwind to get an idea of what a High Unwind is like. Links to those clips in the description below, so you can go back and find anything you want to cover again or cover for the first time if you've never seen it. But assuming you're ready, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off exactly like a first move. We go back, we come in side by side, going for the shoulder blade rather than the hip. This next bit is pure MJ Whip. So we twist the ladies out, guys step across the far side, left hand is down low, right leg and right arm are in front of the lady. We get out of the lady's way, turn to the right, we start the lady sliding through, we let go with the left hand, so now things are changing. We're sliding down the arm, guiding it over to the left, and we take it up over the lady, rotating the hand to get into a grip. So basically, guys, we're turning the thumb towards us and then down to get underneath. That comes over the top to lead the lady into a turn. Guys cut across to the left side so we can do a spin, travelling return, well, a travelling return spin, change places to catch at the end. Let's do it again from this side, and we'll talk numbers at the same time. So we go back, 1, inside by side, 2, twist out, cutting across, 3, sliding through, 4, turning 5, out of the way, 6, spin, change places, 7, and catch, 8. So let's do it together. Here we go. And obviously, if you need to go over it a few times, just rewind the clip. Here we go. 5, 6, first move, high unwind. We go a back, in, across, slide, turn, out of the way, spin through, and catch. And that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you find it useful, and it plays nicely with you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move. Subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everybody who does that. And if you hit the notification bell, you will get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. There'll be a music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice this move to. Comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video, along with a couple of windows of what the algorithm thinks you would like to have a look at next, because you like this. Okay, so thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft, and we'll see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.